Welcome to one of the most iconic sites in all of Thailand, the Reclining Buddha at Wat Pho, right in the heart of Bangkok. As soon as you step inside this majestic hall, you are greeted by an absolutely massive golden statue. 46 meters long and 15 meters high. That is almost the length of a Boeing 737. This stunning figure represents Lord Buddha in his final stage of enlightenment, entering Nirvana. Wat Pho itself is one of the oldest and largest temples in Thailand, and the reclining Buddha is its crown jewel. Built in 1832 by King Rama III. This masterpiece was created with the intention of making Buddhism more accessible and inspiring to the public. The statue is covered in gold leaf. And what is really special is its feet. Beautifully inlaid with mother of pearl, showcasing 108 auspicious symbols of the Buddha. Don't forget to look around. The walls and ceiling around the reclining Buddha are adorned with colorful murals that narrate stories from Thai mythology and Buddhist teachings. These ancient artworks are just as breathtaking as the statue itself. And yes, you will notice it is pretty crowded here. This is one of the most visited spots in Bangkok. Tourists from all over the world come here to witness the scale and serenity of this temple. It is not just a statue, it's a symbol of faith, art, culture, and peace. From flowers and dancers to elephants and tigers, each symbol holds deep meaning in Buddhist belief. So, if you are in Bangkok, the reclining Buddha is a must see. It is more than just a photo opportunity. It is a chance to step into centuries of tradition and feel the spiritual calm in the middle of a buzzing city.